The current proposals fail to address two really big challenges. One is about how the rules are set, and I think we'll look back on this and think that the OECD had its chance to be the place that set rules for everyone, not just OECD members. This was the last big chance and it's failed. The other angle is, of course, they're actually fixing the rules themselves. And again, I think we'll look back on BEPS and say this was the last great defence of the separate accounting approach, and it's failed. What that means we're going to see, and what the challenge really is in creating a global space in which countries equally, whether they're developing countries or OECD members, have a voice and can discuss these issues to move us to a position where we fundamentally change the basis on which taxes are applied. In particular, that means we shift to taxing multinationals at the unit of the group, rather than pretending that the individual entities are profit maximising and can be taxed on that basis. And then perhaps reaching, although not necessarily, some agreement on how we actually apply an apportionment mechanism to that unitary approach. What comes next, I think, is two things. First, increasing pressure for a political discussion that includes developing countries and that really gets beyond the current rules to something more radical, taxing multinationals at the group level and distributing that as a profit base between countries. But I think more immediately we're going to see public country-by-country reporting that will lay open to citizens around the world just how big the problem of profit shifting and corporate tax avoidance is, which in turn will drive that political pressure for real change.